Ladies and gentlemen, we are again here in Brussels in a sunny day, wonderful, and we are at the SmartNet workshop discussing about the pilot projects that SmartNet is developing and studying all around Europe. One of them is located in Denmark.
That's right.
And we are with us Henrik Madsen from the Technical University of Denmark. And well, maybe he can tell us something about this pilot project, its main characteristics, the insights that you are taking out from it.
Yeah, thank you very much. We are participating in this very important European project, the SmartNet project. And in Denmark, I guess you all know that we have a lot of wind power. Wind power is fluctuating. And in order to be able to integrate all this fluctuating energy or wind power in the electricity grid, we have to be smart.
Yes.
And what we are demonstrating in the Danish pilot is how we are able to create solutions for the future smart grids, focusing a bit on the DSO levels. And the setup we have are a set of 30 summerhouses, placed basically in two DSO areas, in the northern part and the middle part of Jutland, both on the west coast. And we are demonstrating how they can help servicing the possible grid issues like voltage control and congestion in the DSO or the grid primarily. And the summerhouses are summerhouses with swimming pool. So they are actually acting as a huge battery, which can store a lot of wind power by heating up the water. So it's pretty simple, because at the same time as we are helping the grid with services, we're just using the swimming pools as huge batteries, a lot of Tesla power banks, storing a lot of energy. And we store energy when the CO2 concentration is low, when we have excess wind power. In the Pilot B or in the SmartNet project, our controllers can actually shift from minimizing the price to minimizing the CO2 footprint. And if we minimize the CO2 footprint, this is a way of accelerate the transition to the fossil-free future, which of course is also an important element of the Danish pilot.
I see, very interesting. So the idea is to use thermal inertia of these pools to accommodate the needs of the electric system. Cool. And so you involved a non-energy actor in this pilot, actually, this company managing these houses, right?
Yeah, we are teaming up with Rossetto, who is renting out summer houses basically all over Europe, and who is managing these summer houses with the swimming pools. And they are very enthusiastic about what's going on with the smart solutions, because as an added-on functionality of the Danish pilot and SmartNet, we also got possibilities to start and stop the heating of the pools in an optimal way, so the house owners and the visitors or the guests in the summer house can actually save quite some money. So this is something Rossetto really likes. And they also see that what we're doing in SmartNet as a preparation for the future, where we believe that the electricity prices will be more volatile, reflecting actually the CO2 content of electricity mix. So, and then house owners who are equipped with SmartNet technology can actually, when these schemes are implemented, save quite a lot of money. I would expect 20 to 40%.
So it's not peanuts, it's
that's a lot of money, and the cost for heating up summer houses with swimming pools are quite high. It can easily be 15,000 euro per year.
Yeah, so, especially in Denmark.
Yeah, especially in a cold climate like Denmark, for sure. And I'm also happy to say that the SmartNet Pilot B has created a lot of attention in Denmark, not only by Rossetto, but also in Danish ministries. So I have been called in for a meeting with the Danish Ministry of Energy, EFKM, it's actually called in Denmark, and also the Ministry for Taxes, because they would like to some guidance on how create electricity taxes, taxes on electricity and tariffs in order to incentivize the green transition.
Yes, because you need to be smart not only from the point of view of market actors, but also regulators need to develop a framework that allows smart behavior by network and market operators.
Exactly. So that's why they have called me in for quite a number of meetings to give input to how the regulatory framework in Denmark could be designed in order to incentivize the accelerate transition to a more green energy.
That's great. That's great. I know that you will also go to the European Parliament next week.
Yeah, next week on the 27th of July, there is an important announcement of the new technology innovation platform for the smart energy transition. And I'm invited to give a speech in the EU Parliament about the SmartNet Pilot B and zooming in on how we can use the setup in Pilot B to demonstrate the accelerated transition to the fossil-free future.
Oh, that's great. And do not forget that in October we will have another workshop by SmartNet, this time in Italy, in Florence, for 3 days, addressing 3 different type of audience, regulators, energy companies, and network operators. So stay tuned. Eric, thank you very much.
My pleasure. Thanks a lot.
And see you soon.
See you in Italy.
Yes, for sure. Bye-bye.
Bye.